Do you ever have dreams of being a Jamaican? Chilling right next to the beach? Well, today is your lucky day. If you follow these straightforward instructions, you too can become
a Jamaican.
First thing you need to know, Jamaicans love cutting up words. What do you mean cutting up words? Pay close attention. Jamaicans love cutting up words, so instead of saying house, we say ose. House, ose, house, ose. Once you master this, you're 1% closer to becoming a Jamaican. If you want to be a Jamaican, you have to learn how to be quick on your feet. Hey Leroy, if you was a Digimon, you would be called Blackman. If you was a Digimon, you would be called Batiman. Now I don't suggest doing this, but this is just one example of being quick on the feet. If you get this down pat, you're 2% closer to becoming
a Jamaican.
Now don't let people fool you. Yes, Jamaicans say man after everything. Yeah man, wagwan man. Yeah, I'm just sitting here watching some Digimon. Yeah man, everything good man, everything good man. If you master these 3 steps, you'll be 3% closer to becoming
a Jamaican.
Now always remember that Jamaican people, we talk English, but we speak in an English dialect called Patois. If you want to learn Patois, watch all my videos. And just let you know, you might need some subtitles. Okay, so today's big time riddle comes from YouTube user.
So a man walks into a bar and asks for a glass of water. The bartender pulls out a gun and points at him. But the man says thank you and leaves. Why?
So if you think you know the answer to this riddle, leave it in the comments below. And if you have any more big time riddles, you can leave it in the comments also, or send me a video, and who knows, I may use it in my next how-to episode. And I remind the people, make sure you check out my second channel, FTD News. I'll be doing regular vlogs, reports, and features over there. And subscribe! So that's it. I'm your favorite Jamaican, Leroy Kenton. Boom! Out!